If your Toyota Hybrid's 12-volt battery keeps dying after replacement, the problem is usually an electrical issue somewhere else in the car, not the battery itself. A new battery will just keep dying if something is draining it or stopping it from charging correctly. Think of it like a leaky bucket. Replacing the bucket doesn't fix the leak. The main hybrid battery powers the electric motors, but a separate 12-volt battery starts the car's computer, accessories, and safety systems. This smaller battery only charges once the car is in ready mode. If an unseen electrical draw exists, or if the charging system is not working right, even a brand new 12-volt battery will struggle and eventually fail. The car's computer needs a stable 12-volt supply just to turn on the hybrid system. So if that supply drops, nothing starts. For example, a 2021 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid was flatbedded 3 times in 14 months after the dealer replaced the battery twice, costing around $1,200 over 2 years, all because the root cause was never found. To figure out why your 12-volt battery keeps dying, here are a few key checks. First, check for a parasitic draw. This means finding out if something is staying on and using power when the car is off. You will need a multimeter for this. Turn off the car and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Disconnect the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery. Connect your multimeter in series between the negative battery post and the disconnected negative cable. Set it to measure amperes. Look for a reading above 50 milliamperes. If it is higher, you have a draw. Start pulling fuses one by one, checking the multimeter after each until the draw drops. The circuit where the draw disappears points to the problem area. Second, verify the charging system's output to the 12-volt battery. With the car in ready mode, use your multimeter to check the voltage across the 12-volt battery terminals. You should see a reading between 13.8 and 14.4 volts. If the voltage is too low or too high, the hybrid system is not charging the 12-volt battery correctly. This could be due to an issue with the direct current to direct current converter, which charges the 12-volt battery from the main hybrid battery. Third, inspect all battery connections. Loose or corroded terminals prevent proper charging and lead to voltage drops. Clean any corrosion and make sure the terminals are tight. Even a slightly loose connection can cause intermittent charging problems. Also, ensure the battery ground strap is clean and secure to the chassis. Finally, consider your driving habits. If you primarily make very short trips, your car might not spend enough time in ready mode to fully recharge the 12-volt battery. While Toyota does not recommend a specific ready mode duration weekly, driving for at least 30 minutes at a time helps ensure the 12-volt battery gets sufficient charge. Ignoring these electrical checks means you could keep replacing batteries without fixing the real problem, leading to repeated breakdowns and unnecessary costs. Check your electrical system before replacing another battery.